Welcome to your iHome Smart Scale. In this video, we're going to cover some common questions on connection troubleshooting. Let's get right into it. What should I do if I have trouble connecting to the Wi-Fi scale? Ensure you're using a 2.4G Wi-Fi connection. It may help to turn on airplane mode while enabling the Wi-Fi connection. Keep your device and the scale close to your Wi-Fi router to ensure a stable connection. Verify that the router's name and password are correctly entered. If your router has a whitelist, add the scale to this list by including the scale's MAC address in the client MAC whitelist. If reconnection attempts fail, try the following. Restart the fitness app. Remove and reinsert the scale's batteries to reset the device. Follow the manual setup instructions for the smart scale. What should I do if the iHome fitness app only shows my weight? Stand barefoot on the smart scale, ensuring full contact with the sensors until the LED display stabilizes. Update your phone to the latest iOS or Android version and reinstall the latest version of the iHome Fitness app from the appropriate app store. For Android devices, ensure location services are enabled and restart your phone. Launch the iHome Fitness app, enable Bluetooth on your phone, and then step barefoot onto the smart scale. If your feet are very dry, consider wiping them with a damp cloth beforehand. Why isn't the data displayed in the iHome Fitness app after the network configuration is complete? Data transmission via Wi-Fi occurs only after the measurement is complete. Ensure the weight data measurement has finished. Verify the Wi-Fi network signal strength is strong and stable, and check that the Wi-Fi indicator on the scale screen is solid. Refresh the homepage in the app to display the latest data. What should I do if the Bluetooth connection fails? Replace all batteries in the smart scale. Turn off Bluetooth on your phone and then turn it back on. Update your iOS or Android device to the latest version. Ensure your device is within 15 feet or 5 meters of the smart scale. If problems persist, try the following. Remove and reinsert the scale's batteries. Turn off your phone's Bluetooth, then turn it back on. Press and hold the unit button for 10 seconds to restore factory settings and then attempt to reconnect.